Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, I'm gonna do one more pink bloom with another color. So the color I chose to go with the pink is gray or silver and silver. And then I will move on from this, I think. So I got my Glidden Premium. Glidden Premium Eggshell. I gotta use my white cell activator. I was gonna try black, but what I might do is I might do one with white and one with black. Okay, so I've got Liquitex Basics Neutral Gray, value 5, mixed with a bit of slate gray. Whoopsie whoopsie. Deco-art. And I also have some silver, Liquitex Basics Silver. So I'm going to put this down first. It's opaque. Then I will put down some I'll do dark pink. I'll do baby pink next. That's Deco-Art Baby Pink. And then I'm going to put some fairy floss. This is this little piggy fairy floss. Okay, I have some silver, then I'll put the silver. And then I will put my Royal Fuchsia. A lot of paint on here again. I always seem to put too much. It's my white cell activator. Always give it a good stir before you use my mini blower. That looks really pretty. Just let the middle relax a bit. Just trying to remember, decide which way to do the next colors. Try one with gray on top. How's that? Okay. All right, let's give it a spin. I'm going to do another one. I'll just change up the order a little bit. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Okay, this time I'm going to put down baby pink. And I'm going to put down the silver. And the fairy floss. I'm going to show you the consistency. Makes a mound, but then it dissipates pretty quick. A couple seconds. A little bit of royal fuchsia. And now the gray. Okay. lighter in the middle. I never get tired of doing these blooms. Every time I do one, it's different and beautiful, and you never know what you're gonna get. It's a surprise every time. Let the middle relax a bit. I have a discount code in the description under my video for the Sheleeart tutorial lesson on how to do blooms. You'll get a 15% discount. So check it out. All right, time to spin. Wow, that one really spun out. It's very pretty. There you go. I'll put the dried results at the end of this video, so stick around. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. All right, see you in the next one. All right, here's the tiles beside each other. There you go, look how pretty they are. All right, stick around for the dried results. Hi everybody. Here's my dried tiles. They turned out so pretty. I love the pink and gray. There you go. Thanks for watching.